Kweth MCAs mawuok e gwengego eko mag Rift Valley kendo siro lwedo jalup jatend piny owacho Dr. William Ruto onyiso ichwang' margi e wi netamo jalup ker dhi e piny libamba ma Uganda odiochieng' manyoro. MCAs go eko wacho ni jo Kenya okomora kod gima otimore noero ni mara poko timore e telo mamoko mokadho chien. Giseyo jotelo moko e apisi mar ker kod migao mar weche maiye e tudruok mar chando Dr. Ruto nikech chung' mare mar siasa.
Kenya ilitendeka jana kwa Kenya wajafurahia. Na ningeliomba rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya kwamba kuna watu ambaye anaendelea kuharibu legacy yako. Hatujawahi kusikia siku nyingine tangia wakati wa Kenyatta, Moi, Kibaki mpaka saizi tumepata aibu kubwa sana kwa nchi kama Kenya kutunisha naibu wa rais. Watu wadogo kusema kwamba naibu wa rais hataweza kutembea nchi za kigeni mpaka apate ripoti kutoka kwa mkuu wa baraza la.
He rose above gerrymandering, and he actually realized that there's a difference when members of parliament are exercising their rights as private citizens, as individuals, and when they are enjoying those rights in official capacities. So what was so difficult with understanding that with William Ruto? So today, William Ruto, for example, we saw his daughter being married now to Nigeria. So William Ruto today, if for example something happens, he needs to go to Nigeria to actually visit his daughter. So he needs to be cleared by Joseph Kenya. Seriously? That is the kind of a country you now want us to have. So that now Joseph Kenya, he expects that William Ruto will be going there to kneel down to him, to clear him, to go and visit our relatives in Uganda, in Siebe, in Uganda. So our brothers and sisters in Uganda,